Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your website to update automatically whenever there is a new release of the WordPress version or whenever there is an update to the WordPress version. I'll also show you how to set up your plugins and themes to update automatically, so you don't need to log into the WordPress and do it manually. So let me show you how to do it. Here I'm logged in to the WordPress of one of my website. First of all, I'll show you how to set up your theme to update automatically. So go to Appearance, then go to Themes. Now here you will see there is an update for one of the themes. So I'll first update. So the theme is updated. Now click on this theme and here you will see the option Enable Auto Updates. Click on it. Alright, now this theme is set to update automatically whenever there is an update to this theme. Okay, now let's go to plugins. We are on the plugins page. Now when you go to plugins, you will see this option here, Enable Auto Updates. Enable Auto Updates. So if you want to do it manually, you can click on this Enable Auto Updates. Now this particular plugin is set to update automatically. If you want to do the same process for all the plugins, then you can simply click on this option, select all the plugins, then here you will see the option Enable Auto Updates. Click on it and click Apply. After clicking Apply, this auto updates will be enabled for all the plugins that you have on your website. Alright, now I'll show you how to set your WordPress to update automatically. So let's go to Dashboard. You will see, just go to Dashboard. Here you will see Home and Updates. Click on Updates. Alright, I already have the latest version of the WordPress. Now if you do not have the WordPress version updated, then before updating the plugins and the theme, I'll suggest you to keep a backup of your WordPress website, so that if there is any problem with the files, then you should have the backup of your website. If you don't know how to make a backup of the website, then you can watch my previous video where I have shown you how to create a backup of your website, of the WordPress website. Now the WordPress on my website is already updated, so I don't need to update it. If the WordPress on your website is not updated, then you will see an option here to update the WordPress version here, so you can update it. Now here you will see an option Enable Automatic Updates for all new versions of WordPress. So when you click on it, it will start updating the WordPress version automatically. So whenever there is a new release or there is any update to the WordPress version, then it will go ahead and update the WordPress core files automatically, and you don't need to do it manually. So we have set everything to update automatically. Okay, so if you don't see this option to enable, then make sure that you already have the WordPress updated. So if you are running an older version of WordPress, then you may not see this option. So first you will need to update the WordPress version of your website, then you will see all these options to update the theme and plugins automatically. Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.